Poverty is a continuous spiral of unemployment, poorly run schools, single-parent homes.
Millions of families all across this country without adequate food, without adequate housing.
Poverty looks like people with disabilities.
It's people who look for opportunity, want opportunity, and have constantly faced a denial of those opportunities.
NCLEJ's vision is the elimination of poverty in this country, treatment of every individual and family with dignity and respect, and maximum opportunity to realize their full potential. In our early days, there was tremendous excitement at the kind of success we were able to have in the courts on a whole variety of issues. One of the earliest cases we brought was Goldberg against Kelly.
It resulted in far greater numbers of people who needed public assistance getting it.
Goldberg against Kelly established the right of each person to be valued and treated as an individual, that they had to be listened to, that they could make a claim upon government, that they were not just another statistic.
Without litigation, nothing moves.
One of the problems we have seen growing has been greater and greater delays in processing vital benefits like food stamps and Medicaid. People in Maryland came to us and told us that they were having severe problems there, and we agreed to work with them to file a major lawsuit.
We and our colleagues clearly persuaded the judge that that department was completely out of control and secured wide-reaching relief.
We make sure those laws do serve the beneficial purposes that are intended, and it's litigation that makes that possible.
A lot of the work that we do in the disability area is policy advocacy. We approach government agencies and we offer to work with them to improve policies and to fix problems. And that's been tremendously successful.
We can't do our work by ourselves.
They are constantly in touch with other legal advocates. They're in touch with grassroots groups around the country.
Another very important part of our collaboration is collaboration with private law firms. They magnify our effort and ability to do work. And we are deeply indebted to any number of law firms over the years who've lent their staff, their support, and indeed financial support to the center.
Poverty is no longer an issue of interest to so many people in this country. Poor people seem to have disappeared.
The face of poverty is changing and including more people.
As everybody knows, the economy is in a crisis, and the people who feel the crisis in the most immediate and detrimental fashion are the people whom the center represents.
There should always be a safety net system for people. Whether you call it welfare, economic security, whether you call it emergency benefits, whatever you call it, it should exist.
There will be a major expansion of the Medicaid program as a result of the recent health reform. And our 45 years of experience teaches us that there will be many problems in the implementation of that program, and that we will need to be engaged to assure that it is implemented to the benefit of the people it was intended to benefit. We know what's behind the statistical reports that we get of how many more people are getting the benefits and how many more people are getting them timely. And that's what's truly gratifying about this work. That it's making a difference in the lives of so many people who don't even know that we're there to help.